Brainstorming is a popular way to generate ideas and solve problems, but sometimes the extroverts dominate and shyer people in the room can have trouble being heard. Some people also have trouble staying focused, maintaining their enthusiasm, or are simply confused as to why they're in the session. Fortunately, Ken, hi Ken, can show you how to overcome these barriers and run an awesome brainstorming session. Start by sending out the brief 24 hours beforehand so everyone can prepare. The brief should outline what is the challenge, why is it important, and why each person has been asked to attend. Ask everyone to come along with 3 ideas, perhaps one usual idea, one idea that's different, and then a radical one. Remember, invite a diverse group so you have a range of perspectives and experiences. At the beginning of each session, encourage everyone to be bold and imaginative. Try dividing a larger group into smaller ones. And don't forget to evaluate as you go. Groups are much better at evaluating ideas than individuals. And don't worry, if the group gets stuck, just move on. At the end of the session, let each person know what the next step is and what their responsibilities are. Most importantly, remember to say thank you. Thanks, Ken.